How to enable stolen device protection on an iPhone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you want to add an extra layer of security to your iPhone by enabling the stolen device protection, then here's how you can do this process. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to enable stolen device protection, you just need to open up the settings app from your iPhone, and from the settings homepage, you just need to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on privacy and security. Inside the privacy and security, you just need to scroll all the way to the very bottom, and at the bottom you'll get to see the option stolen device protection. It's currently turned off, so you just need to tap on these and this will get into the stolen device protection settings. Here it says this adds another layer of security to your iPhone in the event that is stolen and someone knows your passcode. So we can actually enable this, and once you enable this, you can actually select a record security delay. So you can actually select always, or you can even select always from familiar location. So I'm going to select always from here, and once you do that, we're pretty much good to go. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.